Welcome, welcome. We are going to try and attempt to fix this key, which you can see the shell is completely broken off.
Tape all around it.
Tape all around it, you know, we jimmied it back together. But it's still pretty wobbly and sometimes still falls apart and we have to retape it.
Take that tape off, it'll fall apart.
Exactly.
All right, take that tape off.
Okay.
We have to get the guts out.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh. Poor little key.
All right. Put the key into pieces, bring it back out in pieces.
Want me to take it apart?
Got to take it apart to put it back together again.
That's true.
Okay, then we'll leave it at that.
See how it opens up like that?
That's not the way it's supposed to be.
No. Yeah, a few comments, so thank you very much about just ordering a new shell off Amazon. So
$10 later.
that's what we did. And we're gonna open this up. See what this even looks like.
Dun, dun, dun. Actually open the whole package. That's funny. All right, what do we get? Hey, I thought they were giving us a screwdriver too. Uh-oh.
Oh, they didn't? Maybe check again. No. But you know. Oh wait, no, there is one. Look. A little mini tiny one in here.
Oh my goodness, that is a small screwdriver.
Yes.
All right.
Just what we need. And and a little screw.
Okay, so let's not lose that screw. Get the cat off here.
Oh.
Okay, unscrew it.
Don't terrorize the cat.
I'm terrorizing the cat.
Okay, so where am I unscrewing that?
There's only one screw.
Yeah, that. But it's already falling out, so that's interesting. Okay.
Lefty loosey.
I know.
You think you know.
No, I know. I hope this works.
Yes, we have missed not being able to just press a button to open the car or the trunk. This is a delicate operation.
It's so small.
Cat, you do it.
Oh dear. Poor cat.
There we go. All right, good. Okay, so we've done that.
Obviously we want to take this piece out.
Okay. Make sure you don't. No. Okay, right.
Yeah, that's the front. Thank you for watching along as we fumble our way through this.
Yes. This will be highly edited. So if this works, we'll have saved yourselves $140 approximately, which in today's world is maybe a tank of gas, but still.
Exactly. Okay, it's unscrewed. Why is it stuck in there?
See where the key is still
attached, and I unscrewed it.
Yeah.
So we want that off so it can fit in there.
Yes. This plastic is like a broken piece. This thing here where my finger is touching,
we want that
That
off.
is different from the rest of the plastic. The key goes in here.
Yeah. So why is it still stuck on here?
This is why we don't do work on our own car.
Yeah, it's like glued. There's no way. I don't know how we bust that off. I already took the screw out, so.
We're back at it, and truth is, we have failed spectacularly. What's happened is that this key, this part of the key, here, I'll put it over this way, does not work, right? Like we can't get this little plastic piece off right here.
No.
It does not.
Come off.
So, here's what I've done, and here's kind of what I'm figuring out the answer to. So this works, right? Like not only does this, like if we snap this together, it actually works on the car. You can actually click it and it'll open it, lock it, open the trunk.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna put this without the key onto the keychain. This key will start the car, but these buttons, as we know, don't work, and it is glued shut for the rest of its natural life.
I know this is a silly question.
Oh no.
But will this alone start the car?
Not with the this part gone, no.
Oh, it won't.
No.
You can't just like put it in and turn it.
No, there's this. Yeah.
Ah.
Well, you know what?
Just curious.
Do you want to go try?
I believe you if you say no.
You don't even want to go outside, that's the thing.
Yeah, no.
Well, now we're going to have to try that later. We're at the car. This is the key that doesn't work. Let's see if the fob works. Ha ha ha! Will it work on the trunk? Will it work on the trunk? I think I heard something. It worked on the trunk. we have fob ignition. Amy wanted to know if it would start with just this key. Nope. It'll turn but not start. See? It has to be attached to this. Now this will start. Aha! It does not start. I was right. I would say this is like a 95% fail when it comes to fixing stuff.
I mean, it's an extra key on
Key fob.
key fob on the
On
keychain.
the keychain,
But
right?
you know, it's okay. It's okay. We have a key that will start the car, and we have a fob that will unlock and lock the car.
But not the same one.
They're
at the
just
same
not
time.
together. But that's okay. I mean,
One of these days.
one of these days. It's not $150.
No, it was $10, and it's a $10 answer.
So that's okay for now. For now.
All right. What should people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Trial and error, trial and error.